Alexander Charles Smith, marriage to Tori Rhianna Dowson, 15th of June 2025. 5th of February 1994 was when it all began. A dear little chap with a golden downy crown entered into our world. Very small and jaundiced, but he has now suited a glowing tan. So here we are on your very special wedding day to mark the formal consolidation of your togetherness. We celebrate as family and friends, hoping and wishing you both a happy life. Will you please raise a glass with us in our congratulations to them both, Tori and Alex.
I, Alexander Charles Smith.
Take you,
Tori
Rhianna Dowson,
Rhianna Dowson,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
Alex, I give you this ring
As a sign of our love.
as a sign of our love.
I promise to be faithful,
I promise to be faithful,
loving and loyal,
loving and loyal
for always.
for always,
To cherish you through good times
to cherish you through good times
and through bad,
and through bad,
and to respect and honour you.
and to respect and honour you.
So it gives me the greatest of pleasure to declare you are now husband and wife. Now we're going to clap and you're going to kiss your beautiful bride.
From the first night we met, I mean, it sounds weird, but I was pretty much obsessed with you. I pestered the hell out of you, went home, told mum and dad about you, but you weren't interested. Anyway, I kept going. I tried and tried and tried and tried. Her excuses were even as feeble as, I can't meet you today because I've got to put together some IKEA flat pack. Anyway, we got there in the end, and I am so thankful for a lot of things, but especially our two beautiful children that we share together.
Alex is a partner, a father, a proper family man. Somehow, he went from bow tie and bare bum to bedtime stories and baby monitors, and to be fair, he's smashing it. And then there's Tori. I still haven't figured out whether you calm the chaos or you double it. But what I do know is you brought out something truly special in him. You're his home, and without doubt the best thing that ever happened to him.
They went away and lived together for a few years as boyfriend and girlfriend. and they come back as a couple. But unfortunately, a few months ago, they come back again. But they come back as a family, and they come back with Noah and Florence in tow. I don't know what else I can say apart from I wish them all the best and good luck in the future.